Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today we're gonna be doing a Skims try on. These are a bunch of pieces I've recently ordered and some of them I haven't even worn yet. So it's gonna be almost like first impressions to you and me. I find these videos really helpful. So without further ado, let's just get into it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I do vlogs, fashion stuff, and I work over at Clever Style, so you might know me from there. Also, just so you guys know, the pants that I'm trying everything on with are Revice Denim pleather pants. They're called like the Venus flares, I think. I just thought they felt very skimsy. So let's get started. Oh, I just realized I don't know the names. I'll link all the names of things that I'm trying on with, just so you guys know. For starters, I have two of the Fits Everybody tees. These are like this really nice jersey, like almost very stretchy material. I got one in two different colors. I'll link the colors while I'm trying them on for you guys. Just off the bat, just so you guys know, I'm obsessed with these shirts. They make your boobs look incredible. Like they do something where they just hug your chest so well and they hug your curves to give you like a really sexy, just basic tee. So let's try them on. And I'm trying all the shirts on with a Nasty Gal yoga bra. It's like their kind of stretchy, seamless bra. So this is the Fits Everybody copper tee. It's like a copper color. The length is actually pretty long. It sits just below the length of my pants, so I'm actually gonna tuck it in for you. I feel like these could almost come across like a bodysuit because of the length. Like they're just so easy to tuck into pants or shorts or a skirt or something. So I really want you guys to see like how good it looks on the chest from every angle. You could wear this braless. It's just a little bit riskier with like internet involved, so this is like an up close. So cute. This one is definitely a little bit more see-through. It's that nude color. Also, just so you guys know, both of these Fits Everybody tees are in a size medium. Like it just gives boobs, you know? So fun, such a staple. I just think this is gorgeous. So cute, so stretchy, so soft. You can't stop touching your boobs when you're wearing it. So there's that. Okay, so up next are the Fits Everybody crops. I think they're either called body crop or just crops. I actually have it in 3 different colors. Let me grab the third. So I have been wearing this one so much that it's like already very much worn and I need to like put it in the washer dryer because it smells, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I loved it so much that I ended up ordering 2 more. So these are actually unworn, just taken out of the box, and let's try them on. Just so you guys know, this is such a good shirt for if you have like a full face of makeup on, because it has such good give and stretch that I never worry about getting like makeup on it. I seriously think the body crop or the cropped Everybody tee is my favorite shirt that they sell. I just love crop tops. I think they're like really fun and flirty while still, you know, your chest is still totally covered in this, but it's like a little bit see-through, but it really hugs your curves. Like I'm just very, very happy with this product. Like I said, I bought the brown one and then I went and ordered 2 more immediately because I realized this is gonna be like such a staple for me. Even just wearing it with like these black pleather pants just makes me feel like super cute and high-end and put together. Love, 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 love this. Up next we have the bodysuits. These are, again, I'm gonna link what they are exactly. God, I don't know anything. I'm a bad researcher. If you guys have seen the Clever video where we tried on Skims like bodysuits and items from I think a year ago, we had such a hard time because they weren't as stretchy at the time, and we ordered our regular sizes, and fun fact, like with the bodysuits especially, size up. These are actually a large, extra large, and I don't have like a big chest or anything, so like just to keep that in mind. Mainly just because like getting it over your head and like snapping the crotch, like I remember having such a hard time with a small medium or whatever it was at the time. So this is the large, extra large in both of these colors. Okay, this is the first bodysuit. I want to say this is the color Pacific. I really match with my wall right now. I want you guys to know the back of the bodysuits is a thong and the front is not thong. So it doesn't go up your hoo-ha, and it definitely goes up your butt in a good way. Like, you know, so that you can't see the panty line or anything like that. And the large, extra large, it's still kind of cutting off like my arm fat. I don't know if these are the most flattering on me, which is kind of a bummer. I'm still gonna hang on to the bodysuits I ordered and give it like a go with, you know, like a mini skirt or like a pair of jeans, because I do feel like these are a good staple. And I think the color is really icy and pretty. All right, we have the same bodysuit, just in a little bit of a darker color. And I actually really like this one. The fit is still very much the same. It still kind of does feel like I'm cutting off my arm circulation. So again, like 1000% size up. I wonder if I prefer this one. I feel like these bodysuits are a great option for like a night out, and if you want like to not have to worry about having a crop top or like having to worry about your shirt getting untucked and like kind of getting that like ripple effect right here. I do think their bodysuits are super flattering. I am still wearing that Nasty Gal bra, which I think is a great option for under these bodysuits because it's very seamless. You can only really see it up close. I think overall my favorite pieces are the crop tops. If you want to get the best bang for your buck, I also would say the Fits Everybody tees. I'm not super sold on these bodysuits yet. I think if I were to do it, I think if I were to do it all again, I would just do the crop tops and the Fits Everybody tees. I prefer the Fits Everybody tees to the jersey tees. I've tried those before at Clever also, and they're a little bit thicker, and I just prefer this like kind of thinness because there's something very sexy about it. The price is not cheap. I'm gonna be totally real with you guys. The day I put in a bulk order, I somehow finagled my way into getting like a discount. I have no clue how. The honey drop down just like did it for me. But as I get older, I do understand why it's sometimes better to pay a little bit more money and get something you know you're gonna love, because you'll wear it a lot more often. I've already been wearing the crop tops so much they stink. So you know the vibe. Should we pose for a thumbie together? I'm so bad at doing thumbnail stuff. Like I do this all the time at Clever, and it's like the cringiest thing every single time. So I might just include it as a funny little ending clip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's another brand you guys want me to try, and let me know which piece was your favorite. Love you. Goodbye.